Kyrie Irving's 2024-25 NBA season ended early, but the star guard has stayed active off the court, refining his game and expanding his brand with Anta. Their latest collaboration, the Kai 2 White Phantom, drops June 25 for $125 via Anta.com. This sleek, mostly white sneaker reflects Irving's elegant, almost ghost-like playing style. Designed with performance in mind, the breathable upper features silver accents on the tongue, sides, and heel, mirroring arena lights and Irving's brilliance. Though subtle at first glance, the outsole glows luminous green under the right lighting, symbolizing how Irving thrives under pressure. Compared to earlier, more vibrant releases, the White Phantom embraces a minimalist approach, highlighting clean design and graceful movement. This release continues to solidify the Anta x Kyrie partnership as one of the most unique and influential in the basketball sneaker world.